Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mrs. Smith 88. So today is Wedding Wednesday and I am doing an unboxing for you guys. Last week I ordered a bridal sash or a bridal belt for my dress off of Etsy. I absolutely love Etsy. There's so many creators out there that make truly beautiful pieces and they're relatively affordable. The whole reason why I chose to order off Etsy is not only am I getting more of a unique, one-of-a-kind piece compared to what I would get at David's Bridal, but I managed to save some money. I believe the bridal sash that I purchased was only $22. I know for sure it was under $25. Bridal sashes for the beautiful bedazzled ones at David's Bridal were $100. So I was able to get mine for a fraction of the cost. So let's go ahead and open this up so we can see what it looks like. Hopefully the vendor's information is in here, that way I can share it with you guys. So we got the package open. So it came boxed like that. Super cute, plain brown cardboard box with a blue ribbon. So we're going to go ahead and untie our ribbon. And let's see what this looks like. Oh, so it's wrapped in there super, super nice. I'm going to try to bring you guys in just a little bit here so you guys can see it better. So hopefully that's a little bit better. Let's go ahead and unwrap this. And there was customizations that you were able to have done on this bridal belt. Like you could pick the color of your ribbon. There was ivory, there was white, and there were a few other color choices. Oh, this is super, super heavy. So this is definitely of high quality. I went with the white satin. I actually go on Wednesday, the day that I'm posting this video, to have my dress fitted and alteration, so hopefully I get a video of me trying it on. But this is my belt that I got to go with my dress, and I wasn't for sure if I was going to wear a belt, still not for sure if I'm going to wear a belt, but I wanted to pick one up. I think it would be a nice detail to add to my dress. So I'm going to take this with me for my alterations on Wednesday so we can see what it looks like with my dress. And this is absolutely beautiful. I cannot show you guys enough of it. Let me see if I can get it in really close. So you got the crisscross detail of the gems. Looks like some flowers in there with the gems, some pearls. Absolutely beautiful bridal sash that I got off of Etsy. Now let me see if I can find the seller information so I can share that with you guys, because I don't see a card in here. Would have been nice if the seller would have put a card, but the information is here on the mailer. And so I ended up ordering through Bella La Bella. They're located in New Jersey. I'm in Ohio. Pretty sure that I ordered on Thursday. They shipped on Friday. Today is Monday. It's already here. So super, super fast shipping. Shipping was very reasonable. I believe it was $4.95. And like I said, I believe my total order was under $25. Under $25. I cannot rave enough that I got a beautiful bridal belt, bridal sash, to go with my dress for under $25 off of Etsy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye everyone.